A Jefferson County jury spent the last week listening to arguments from attorneys and testimony from witnesses about the death of 2-year-old Holland Siedschlag of Fairbury. The state accused 19-year-old Jake Gonzalez of intentionally inflicting the injuries that killed Holland in February. Gonzalez was dating Holland's mother, Bailey Siedschlag, at the time and living with her and Holland. The jury deliberated for just 2 hours before reaching a verdict.
As to charge 1, child abuse, guilty in the intent, child abuse resulting in the death of Holland Siedschlag.
The jury also convicted Gonzalez of making terroristic threats towards Bailey. The state built a timeline through evidence and testimony. Security footage showed Holland appearing happy and healthy as he left daycare. Bailey testified she left Holland with Gonzalez and went to Walmart, and security footage shows her there. She said she returned home to find Holland severely injured. Despite threats from Gonzalez, she said she got word to her friend to call police.
Can you do a welfare check on Bailey Siedschlag for me? What's going on there? So she's like in an abusive relationship.
Body cam footage shows Gonzalez fleeing when sheriff's deputies arrived. Holland died hours later at the Omaha Children's Hospital. Autopsy results say he died of internal bleeding from his liver, the result of blunt force trauma to the abdomen. In closing arguments, defense attorney Kelly Breen accepted most of the timeline, but said it didn't rule out Bailey as the one who beat her son. He also said injuries from a fall down the stairs days earlier could have contributed to Holland's death.
And the state hasn't even proven beyond reasonable doubt that there wasn't any injury to the lower in the fall. They can't get an expert to draw an opinion as to the date of any of the injuries they showed you.
The state said the timeline left Gonzalez as the only one alone with Holland after daycare.
This is something that you do alone. You're the only adult in the room, you lose control, you get frustrated and angry, and you go to town. You go nuts, and there's nobody there to stop you.
That was one of 10 reasons listed while the state argued for conviction.
Bailey's the one that's called for help. He ran from sheriff's deputies. The demeanor of Bailey versus the demeanor of Jake, and the fact that Jake was sleep deprived and exhausted when this happened. Jake's history of attacking Holland or being kind of upset with Holland and kind of losing control.
Breen, the attorney for Gonzalez, declined to comment about the verdict. The next item in the case is sentencing. That is set for January 6th at 11 a.m. The minimum sentence for child abuse resulting in death is 20 years. The maximum is life in prison. In Fairbury, Michael Shively, News Channel, Nebraska.